Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is Ogomadi. Thank you for joining me this day. I hope you guys are doing well. I am doing great. We thank God for everything. So guys, today I want to show you, I have this videos somewhere, I just want to show you updated. Anyway, this is how to make 2 minutes, just 2 minutes keto mug bread using almond flour. You could also use coconut flour. Just, you know, a little bread you could use for your daily sandwich. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. So over here, this is my almond flour. I have like 50 grams of almond flour. I have this is unsalted butter. So because it's unsalted, I'm going to be adding 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, okay? And I have half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1 egg. This is all you need. Let me move everything so you can see that. 50 grams of almond flour, 1 egg, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. But if you're using a salted butter, skip the salt. This is unsalted, that's why I am adding the salt to it, okay? So now we're going to mix everything together in the plate and transfer it into the cup, and there we go. Alright, I need just 10 grams of butter. 10 grams should be like I think a tablespoon or a table and a little. Yes, if my math is good. And you pour in your 50 grams of almond flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You go ahead and break in your egg. Yummy. You just go ahead and mix. Mix everything to come together, okay? So you see how the mixture, your batter is ready. Let's go to the microwave. Alright, just go ahead and I press 2 minutes. So it's ready. Ooh, it's blazing hot, 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 hot. Look at that. I'm just gonna let it cool, and then I'll show you how I like to have it. Okay, I actually made one off camera. So this is it. Basically it's done. All you have to do is just slice it, but I want to take it one step forward, and that step is I'm gonna go ahead and toast this in the toaster oven. This here I have smoked turkey and I have cheese. That's how I like it. You might like it too if you do the same. So now what you need to do is slice your bread into 2. Let me pick it up because it's cool now. You see that? Nicely. This I mixed a little coconut on this one, so it's kind of harder. So I just go ahead, fold my turkey, put it in, get the cheese. The cheese is so super big. Put 1 cheese on it. I do the same here. I'm making 2 because this is gonna be my dinner. I'm gonna give my husband 1. So now, you see that? Now we go to the oven. So now I put it in the oven for, actually I'm just gonna toast it for 2 minutes. Let me say 2 minutes, okay? Alright, it's ready. It is so ready right now. Ooh, I love it, but the smell is awesome, guys. Okay, so this is all I'm gonna do now. This is the remaining butter. I just want to brush the top to give it a little shine. Look at that, look at that. How many of you like your toast buns? Ooh, the smell is something for me. I love it so much. I super duper love it. Look at that. Your 2 minutes almond mug bread. Like I said, this one is almond. I added just a little pinch of coconut. This is just pure almond, just for flavor, guys. All right, let me eat for you and I. Oh my God, awesome. The turkey, the cheese, ooh, melts together. Anyway, Go ahead and make this. It's very simple. It's delicious. It's good for dinner, even breakfast. This is going to be my dinner with a cup of almond milk, and I'm good to go. Thank you for joining me today. Go ahead and make this. If you do, take a picture. Send it to me at Instagram at Ogonwadi, or my Facebook page, Ogonwadi, the same name. Thank you so much for joining me. Keep cooking, keep showing love, stay safe, and stay blessed. Bye.